How to fix Instagram could not log you in PC. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, open up any of your preferred web application and here at the top search bar type in Instagram login. You will see login by Instagram. Click onto it and then enter your credentials. If it's not working on your case, then tap on the three dot icon here. Scroll below, then click on settings. As you do so, you will get landed onto this page of settings. Click on privacy and security. Then delete browsing data. Make sure that you only check this cached images and files, then click on delete data. Now once you do so, another thing you need to make sure is that you are setting this as a default. Here you will see default browser, click onto it. And now in my case, my Google Chrome is my default browser. If you are using the Instagram in your browser, you have to make sure that you have set default to that browser. Now also make sure this application or this browser is updated. Click on About Chrome. If you see any updates here, click onto it and update it. Likewise, if it's still not working for you, then you may go ahead and switch for another web browser like Microsoft Edge or Opera Mini. From there, you can go ahead, open Opera Mini or Microsoft Edge and get logged into your account. And that shall definitely work. That is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.